When we think about social influence in networks, we tend to imagine two types of people. People in the center of the network who are highly connected and have lots and lots of contacts, and people in the periphery of the network who are much less connected. And when we think about who initiates social change, whether it's Arab Spring or spreading a new product on Twitter or Facebook, we tend to want to target those highly connected people who used to be called opinion leaders and today are called influencers or social stars. If we could just get them to adopt our product, then everyone else would as well. So in a series of new studies, people have been trying to identify what parts of a social network are key for innovating and spreading change. What we found is a surprising thing, which is that social change tends to originate in the periphery and not the core. This means that when we look at trivial news stories or stories by celebrities, they do tend to spread from the center of the network outward. But when we look at contentious news stories or difficult to understand new ideas, they tend to emerge in the periphery and grow around the social network, only reaching the central people at the end. And so what this does is turn our classical notions of influence on our head. And what it really means is when we think about social influence, we have to also think about what kinds of things are spreading. And more importantly, instead of looking for important people, now we're looking for important places. And that frames our new idea about how influence in networks works.